The weirdest thing that stopped my scrolling addiction was that I stopped trying to reduce it. I did something completely different. And if I'd known about this 3 years ago when I was first trying to reduce my screen time, I have no clue where I'd actually be today. So, what does it actually mean to stop trying to reduce your screen time? It means stop looking at the fucking screen time in and of itself. It's like a vanity metric. It does not mean anything. You need to instead of look at like screen time, because right now I'm technically gaining screen time as we speak, but does that mean that it's bad? Oh no, should I close my phone so that I can't record this video? No, obviously not. So stop looking at screen time as this like universal thing of like, oh yeah, if it's this high then it's really bad, and if it's this then it's very good, or yada yada yada. It does not matter, because at the bottom of it, it's all about the time that was wasted. So it's like, it doesn't matter if you're on like notes and you're writing notes and you're coming up with ideas and you're scripting videos and you're doing this and that and this and that, but it's like, so another thing about these videos is that they're not scripted. Sorry, they are scripted, but they're not edited, because I actually want you to improve your screen time. I don't want you to sit there, watch these videos of people who are just like fucking stimulating you with background music and all of these like sound effects and whatever people are putting in the videos, B-roll. I just want you to actually get something from the videos, and the videos that I've learned from and the videos that have actually helped me in my journey from like being the person I was before to the person I am today is these videos, which just unedited, some guy just speaking about something. So track wasted time instead and look at the activities that are taking this time from you. So for example, it could be like short form content. Obviously, we all know, bro, short form content is not good for us. It's really like ruining our attention span. Oh, but it's not that bad. It's not that bad, bro. You know how bad short form content is. Like, stop like coping. Stop trying to make it seem like it's actually a good thing because I'm doing research about like bodybuilding on, bro. Stop. So look at the things that are stealing your time instead of looking at the screen time. So the reason why we want to look at the activities instead of the how do you say, yeah, the screen time in and of itself is because now we can actually objectively reduce the screen time in the moment. Because like, bro, if you're trying to reduce your screen time and you're trying to, oh yeah, 1% better every single day, I go from 8 hours a day to 7 hours and 55 minutes, bro, that does literally nothing. Like, bro, nothing. You're not gonna sit there. You're in the like scrolling mood. I think you know what I'm talking about. You're laying in bed about to like go to bed. Oh, my screen time is 7 hours and 55 minutes. Let me close down my phone. No, bro, you're just gonna keep on scrolling. So let's keep it objective. Let's try to look at it from like a third person's perspective, where you can actually make the proper decisions. And we do this with the onion method. Once you've identified like the bad things that are taking up your time, like it's short form content, TV shows, movies, scrolling up some random like social media, Reddit, Twitter, I don't know, bro, Among Us, you're doing some weird stuff, right? Just look at all these different things that you are doing, categorize them from worst to least worst, and then peel off one layer at a time. That's basically the onion method, which is my method of reducing screen time. And I highly, highly, highly recommend you to use this method as well. It's already helped a bunch of people, so just go on, and I've made plenty of videos about it. This should be like a full guide, which I plan on refilming, actually, it doesn't matter. So at the core of it, the onion method is all about substitution, which was actually what this video was first about. But then my mentor said, oh yeah, change the title to this, yada, yada, yada. So now we're recording like the weirdest thing that stopped my scrolling addiction. So yeah, substitution. Substitution is like a golden thing that people are missing so much of the time. It was actually the thing that truly like changed things for me. It's like, you want to stop scrolling, but let's say you're in like a different version of you. It's like trying to stop scrolling, and then he's just like sitting there. What the fuck to do now? You need to have something to like substitute it with. And people say, oh yeah, go to the gym instead, bro. You've already went to the gym, or go for a walk, bro. You waste like 2 hours plus a day. Do you want to just spend that time walking, bro? Work on your business, bro. Work on like, your goals. Work on the things that you actually want to improve in life. So substitute it with something that actually makes sense. So it's like you could substitute it with that. But I had a call with this one guy, really disciplined guy, and he struggled with, sometimes he watched like some reels or something like that. And then he said, oh yeah, I could start watching my podcast instead with the substitution. I just told him, bro, you're not that guy. You're not that guy, because if you're watching short form content, you can't just, when you're in the mood to cure your boredom, and when you're in the mood to stop scrolling, to scroll, then you can't just switch it to, oh yeah, I'm gonna watch a podcast now. No, you need to switch it with, oh yeah, I'm going to watch a movie now. I'm going to switch it with watching a movie. I hope you can see like why this makes a lot more sense, because if you're trying to switch it up with the podcast, it's too difficult. You can't do that. And that's one of the reasons why it took me literally 3 years to quit, because people told me, oh yeah, go on a 7-day dopamine detox, or move to the woods for a weekend, or do this or crazy thing, or take a notepad with you everywhere and just write your ideas on it, bro. It was way too difficult for me. And the people that I've helped, it's like it's like it clicked for them. It's like, oh yeah, why have I been trying to do this crazy stuff that just never works, and it never really works for anyone else? I just need to literally, how do you say, just substitute it with the thing that is just slightly less worse. So let's say you're scrolling, and from now on, for the rest of your life, basically, you know what I mean, right? The only thing you do is you watch a movie when you feel like scrolling. And you will feel fucking stupid if you now scroll, because you're like, oh yeah, I have this very easy thing I could do. I could literally just put on a movie. I can just speak with ChatGPT. Oh yeah, I watched this movie and that movie, and what movie do you recommend? Oh yeah, watch this movie. And then you watch it, and it's like entertaining for a while, and etc. You'll probably save time doing this, because it will feel awkward when you're sitting on the bus and you know you could watch a movie that is like, oh yeah, fair enough, let me continue my movie. And it just makes it worse. Except, yeah, I think you know that this would be beneficial for your life. You're just not really doing it. But let me set the challenge for you now. For the next 14 days, this is the only thing you do. If your biggest problem is scrolling, substitute it with movies. If you feel like scrolling short form content, from now on, just watch a movie instead, right? So substitute with a movie. So if you are an entrepreneur, specifically an entrepreneur, you're struggling with screen time, you realize that it is the bottleneck in your business, and you really want to like get rid of that part of your identity, then click on the first link in the description. It's my one-on-one coaching. I guarantee your results. If you don't get the results you want, i.e., you only watch podcasts and you only listen to audiobooks and read books, and then you work on your business. If that's your desired position, I will help you literally. I'll drag you through the identity shift that you have to go over to reach that position. So click on the first link in the description. See if you qualify. If you do qualify, I'll reach out to you on WhatsApp, listen more to your problem, yada, and I'll give you an offer. You'll get the awesome results. You'll send me an awesome testimonial. So yeah, take some action. Have a good rest of your day. See you, brother. Fuck, the camera's so far away.